Hey guys, I just wanted to make some quick setup instructions for the PhD electric demo that I've been working on. So I was going to run through what's in the box real quick and then what to do to set it up properly. So when you open the box, you'll have a PhD ECV with a Schneider Electric LMD motor attached. This is the one with the M12 connectors on it. You'll also have a 5-amp power supply that's pre-wired and tagged for easy setup. You'll have a serial to USB adapter. If the wires aren't configured, you'll see that there are 3 Wago lever nuts, 2 5 stations and 1 2 station. I've labeled them 24 volt, 0 volt, and then this 2 station is just your digital input signal connection. I've also laminated the PhD competitive advantage flyer for you to give to the customer while you're demoing, along with the LMD motor. And on the back, it also has a quick HMT closed loop performance kind of key bulletin points on that. So that's inside there as well. And then your cables, I wrapped them in the Suburban wraps. So if you guys sell Suburban, I recommend just putting these in the hands of the customer. I purposely used the Suburban wraps for that purpose. They're great cable wraps, very strong Velcro, and if nothing else, it entertains them for a minute while you're setting everything up. So, let's say you got this thing and it's not wired yet. You unwrap all your cables and you don't even know what you're looking at, okay? You have one SICK proc sensor, okay, it's PNP normally open 3-wire. Then you have 3 motor cables. You have your power cable, yellow cable. You have a 16-pin I/O cable, and then you have your communication cable. You can see on this side is a serial plug. Put your serial adapter, serial to USB adapter on there, screw it on, and if you need to, you can connect the motor to your computer now. Okay, so let's wire some of this stuff up. Your sensor, take the black wire, put it in the 2-station Wago lever nut. This is going to be your signal coming out of your sensor going back to your motor. Okay. The brown wire goes in the 24 volt lever nut, and then the blue wire goes in your 0 volt lever nut. Okay, that's the sensor. The 16-pin I/O cable, there's 2 wires. Take the green wire inside the 2-station, connect it, that's your signal, and then your white wire goes to 0 volts. Okay, that's your I/O cable. Power cable, brown to the 24 volt. Okay, white to 0 volt. And you are all wired. Okay, your yellow power cable goes into P1. Your 16-pin I/O cable goes into P2. And your communication cable for your computer goes into P3. Alright, now rather than doing the power supply from the box, I've already got one on my desk. So I'm just going to connect my voltage. And my plus 24. Okay. Now, the program that I've written is programmed to start on startup. So as soon as you give this guy power, it's going to start up. And if it doesn't, if you're trying to communicate to it from the computer, you will need to apply power, otherwise it's not going to find the drive. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this guy power. We'll pull the rod out real quick so you can see what's going on. As soon as I give it power, it's going to start retracting and it's starting a homing routine. After it completes the homing routine, it's going to offset. Okay, it's going to hold for 5 seconds and then it's going to incrementally move out 10 millimeters. Okay, that's the first routine. That will stay in a constant loop until you trigger the sensor. If you trigger the sensor, it's going to start a different routine. Okay. And that's it. So pretty easy setup. Everything in the box I've designed and set up the way so it's easy for you to take out, not be afraid to talk to customers about, and all of the products are products that we sell. So, all right, let me know if you got any questions. Just shoot me an email.